What is the chill pill? The chill pill is a metaphorical term commonly used to refer to a concept or strategy that helps someone relax, distress, or calm down in a stressful situation. It is not an actual pill or medication. How does the chill pill works? The chill pill is not a physical product, but rather a metaphorical term used to describe a strategy or technique to cope with stress or anxiety. It can involve various approaches depending on an individual's preferences and needs, such as mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, or body scans, can help calm the mind and relax the body. Self-care. Engaging in self-care activities, such as taking a bath, reading a book, or spending time in nature, can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Distraction. Engaging in activities that take your mind off stressors, such as listening to music, watching a movie, or engaging in a hobby, can provide a mental break and help you relax. Features and benefits of the chill pill. Features. Versatility. The chill pill can be customized to individual preferences and needs, allowing for flexibility in choosing strategies that work best for each person. Accessibility. The chill pill does not require any special equipment or medication, making it accessible to anyone, anytime, and anywhere. Benefits. Stress reduction. The chill pill techniques can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of relaxation and well-being. Emotional regulation. The chill pill can help individuals manage their emotions and cope with stressful situations more effectively. Improved mental health. Regular use of the chill pill strategies can contribute to better mental health, including improved mood, increased resilience, and better overall well-being. How to use the chill pill. The chill pill is a concept that can be incorporated into daily life as needed. Identify stressors. Recognize situations or triggers that cause stress or anxiety in your life. Choose your chill pill strategies. Select techniques or activities that you find helpful in managing stress, such as mindfulness, self-care, or distraction. Practice regularly. Incorporate the chill pill strategies into your routine on a regular basis, as needed or as a preventative measure to manage stress. Adjust as needed. Experiment with different techniques and adjust your approach based on what works best for you. Pros and cons of the chill pill. Pros. Flexibility. The chill pill can be customized to individual preferences and needs, allowing for versatility in coping with stress and anxiety. Accessibility. The chill pill does not require any special equipment or medication, making it accessible to anyone, anytime, and anywhere. Holistic approach. The chill pill promotes a holistic approach to managing stress, focusing on mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Cons. Individual results may vary. The effectiveness of the chill pill technique may vary depending on individual factors, and what works for one person may not work for another. Not a physical product. The chill pill is a metaphorical concept and not an actual physical product, which may not be suitable for those seeking a tangible solution. The chill pill price and where to buy. The chill pill is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 60-day money-back guarantee.